a supermodel pose, like me real friend Winnie.
Hey babes, so I wanted to pop in and show you guys how I do an at-home curly cut because my stylist is out of commission. So let's get into the pleasantries. My name is Winnie Jean. This is my YouTube channel and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to like it. I just want to go in and give my hair a little bit of shape. So I'm gonna just cut the curls one by one. I did a base cut on my hair already, just kind of getting rid of the split ends, but now I wanna go in more for shape. And for some reason, I guess I just did a better job on this side because I actually kind of like the shape over here. So I'm just kind of going in. Both of my cousins are Aries, so we're going to celebrate their birthday today at my grandma's house. Less than 10 people. So that should be fun. I'm going to do a quick little couch beat after I finish trimming my hair. I'm just going in and kind of trimming off any lackluster curls and adding shape. Don't forget to do the back as well. I thought I actually had more to cut, but surprisingly, it's not so bad. It's mostly in the top area. Like my crown area where I'm having to cut the curls. For some reason, these curls are just, I don't know. I don't want to insult them, but girl. Alright, so I'm just gonna tidy up the bangs a little bit and then I'm done. Alright, so I'm happy with this shape. I may go in and tweak it a little bit more, but for right now, this is working for me. This one curl is really long, but it's pretty, so I'm trying to like give it a break. Cool. Time to get into this living room beat. And let me wash my hands just in case there's any Rona in the building. I don't want no trouble. Have y'all been getting cute for the Rona? Don't lie. I want to know. Alrighty, so my face is low key. Is it dry? No, it's alright. So I'm gonna use the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Girl, the new CoverGirl concealer, Golden Amber under my eyes. Just a little bit. Then I'm going in with the new e.l.f. concealer in the color Medium Beige around my mouth. Just a little bit darker and a little less coverage because I don't want it to look super crazy. And I'm also gonna put this on like any blemishes and stuff, but I'm gonna wait until later for that. So yeah, what have y'all been doing during the Rona? I started a garden. Sorry if I'm looking over here because that's what my mirror is. I started a garden, kinda. Hopefully it works out, girl. If that vlog isn't up yet, then it'll be up like literally right after this video. I thought I was filming that whole time and I'm really mad. Yeah, so this is the finished look. A little blush, nothing too crazy. Fresh curly cut, looking fabulous. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you liked this video, like the video. It's that simple. I love you guys so much, and yeah. See you guys in my next upload. Bye guys.